Hello guys, so welcome to another video. So this video is another CK question. So this is about architecture, installation, and maintenance. So we are going to deal with Kubernetes secrets. So let's solve two questions related to this, and let's see how it is. So let's get right into the video. Okay. So we'll first set the context as usual. And what they're saying, decode the contents of this existing secret named database this in this namespace and save the decoded content into a file. Okay, so there is a secret, so we will do k get secret just to find what is the secret. Okay, so it's not in the default namespace, so I have to add the namespace. So I will add database -ns. Yeah, so we have this, so we have to now get the secret, right? So k get secret database dash data dash output. We have to output it in the YAML format, and then sorry, I forgot to add the namespace. Yeah, so we have the password, and now we have to decode this password. So how will you decode this password? So first we'll copy this. Let me leave this here. We'll go to a new tab. So what you do is, whenever you want to decode, right, you do echo, then whatever is the value, which is in base 6. Okay, shit, I think I didn't copy it properly. I'll go back and I'll copy it. So this is the one which you have to decode. Then you paste it here, and then base 64 dash decode. This is how you decode. So where is it decoded? It's over here, secret control plane. So this is what has been decoded. So what they're saying, decode the contents of the existing secret named database.data dash data in this namespace and save the decoded content into a file called decoded.txt. Okay, fine. So what we'll do is now echo whatever we got. Now we have to store that into a file called decoded.txt. So what we'll do is put the arrow and write decoded.txt. If I do a cat on decoded.txt, it is stored. And yeah, so that's it. So what all we did, first of all, we used the command for getting the secrets, and then we output it into YAML with the namespace, as you can see. Then we found the password, and generally mostly the passwords are in base 64 format. So we decoded it over here using the command dash decode base 64, and then we stored it in the file. So that's the one question. Now we will solve another question. Okay, so another question. Let's see what this question is. Taking some time. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just set the context. It doesn't require much, that's why. Yeah, the context has been set. So what they're saying, create a secret named database app dash secret in the default namespace using the contents of the file database dash data.txt. Okay, so we'll do ls over here. Yeah, so there's a file called database dash data.txt, and it will have some content. So if we do a cat into this just to say what is the content. Okay, so we have our user and our password. Fine, so we have to create a secret now. What's the name of the secret? Database app dash secret. So once we create the secret, then we have to store the data in this format. So it's already in base 64, as you can see. So we have to directly store this inside the secret. So the way you should do this in CK is, first of all, open the documentation, go to secret, then you'll get the secret. Just find our secret. So I'll do kind. Okay, kind will work. Kind dash secret. Yeah. Okay, so this is a manifest, as you can see, and over here there is a pod as well, but we only need this much part to create a secret. So I will show you now how we'll do it. So I'll copy this manifest. I come here, vi secret.yaml. I for insert, paste. Fine. So what is the name of the secret? Okay, database app dash secret. So we will go here and we'll go back here and put this. Yeah, I'll just open one more tab so that I can have the data. This, yeah, ready. So now we have to replace this all with that. So let's do one thing. First we'll take the database user and copy this, come here, and we will paste this. Okay, we'll remove the equal to sign and put a space. Let's put another enter. Okay, the second part, password. Okay. Yeah. So our secret name, this is only one, weightage is 1. So we have put the secret name as it is, and then we have taken the contents from the file database.this and we have stored it here. Okay, so now I think our manifest is valid. So what we'll do is escape, wq this. Now to apply this, okay, apply -f secret.yaml, okay, get. And by the way, they had said to do it in default namespace. That's why I didn't have to specify any namespace over here. Yeah, so this has been created. Now if I do k describe secret database, okay, and then if I do k get secret -o YAML, you can see that, wait, yeah, you can see that this will be the same, right? Yeah. So this was a small question and then the previous question. So that's about it for this secrets part. Make sure you watch the other videos, and there are many such videos, and check the channel out for other videos as well. Thank you.